So you can see here I got the gas tank out, the cowl. You know, about 2 years ago now, I had sanded one of the rear fenders down, well, mostly to metal, and then primered it and used Rust-Oleum black on it. And then stuffing it inside of there, it got scratched up and wasn't the greatest paint anyways. Other rear fender, and then what you call that, the splash pan up front of the engine, fenders, running board splash pans. There's the hood, kind of getting dented up. Front fenders, pretty rusty. I guess probably close to original paint. About 2 years ago, I sanded the whole chassis down and got the got it primered, and then put Rust-Oleum black on it, sanded the engine down, put Ford green on it, so the chassis is sort of nice looking. The wheels, I need to go through the brakes. They drag and it's very hard to roll, especially with these flat tires. The inside you can see is pretty rough. I think that may be the original, and then somebody had it recovered probably like in the 50s with the striped, really thin cloth material. Rest of the interior stripped out. Top wood needs to be replaced. Worst part of it is the door right here, all the way across, and then lower quarters inside right there, and all the way back. Yeah, that's pretty rough. Backside's not too bad. So we'll get around here. Same thing on this side. It's pretty rough. And then I don't know if this door really has rust through. I'll have to look at it when I get it sanded. There's the seats from this side, steering wheel, original radiator, and nickel plated for 28 and 29. This is a 29, so it's nickel plated. Gonna have to flush that through and see if that radiator's good. Boy, this seat is rough. Kind of moldy, so I've got them out and kind of letting them air out. But you can kind of see what's left of the 1950s covers. I'm not sure, you know, it's almost like a canvas. I don't know what the original material would look like and feel like after 90 years. One of the rough spots that I have to work on is this windshield frame. It has gotten so bad that, see if I can open it up here. It's this little knob. There we go. Sorry. Bang. But it is so rusty, and there's like screws across the top here to get it apart where you can actually take it down and sand it. But it's really caught the weather. And then there's a header piece of wood right here. You can see that's supposed to be in here somewhere. And a lot of the wood material is where the trim nails to. So like up top here, you know, there's top bows that go across. But then inside here, what do you see? Inside there's supposed to be a piece of wood all the way down where all that is. It's really just a tack strip. And there's some pieces of corner wood. It's hard to tell because I painted everything black. But I just went at it with the wire wheel and got rid of the rust, put rust stopper on it, and then put some Rust-Oleum primer, Rust-Oleum black enamel. So everything inside is now Rust-Oleum, you know, and you can see the pitting that was going on. So that's why I put the rust stopper on it, just to try to slow it down. I don't know if these seat springs. Yeah. If taking to an upholstery guy, maybe they can fix them. But anyways, that's where it's at right now. You can see over here on the shelf, this is my parts bin. All these boxes. They have running boards, radiator shell for 29, choke rods, instrument panel, fan belts, you know, all kinds of parts. And this probably isn't even all of it. So that's where I'm at with it. I need to take that piece down. It's raw metal. You gotta sand it and primer it. But I finally got it into my garage beginning of February 2023. And maybe I can work on parts and pieces to get them prepped, at least, you know, and that's what this black one was, is mainly just getting it prepped for real paint. But that's about it.